Teen Island Farm. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Food vlog. You're seeing the Breadfruit food vlog. So, last time, let's see if I can adjust this a little bit. There we go. So last time, y'all would have saw that I made some oil dung. And when I made the oil dung, I saved a piece of breadfruit so that I could make some breadfruit fries. Because I've never made breadfruit fries before and I wanted to try it. And I was actually reading my comments from the video that I posted where I did shop with me and kind of started the oil dung. Someone said that they make breadfruit fries, so I want to try to make it and see how it tastes. So today we're going to cut this out and make some breadfruit fries. So without further ado, let's get into the vlog. Alright, so I got my cutting board and my knife, and now I'm going to cut up the breadfruit to make my breadfruit fries. So yeah, now somebody knocked on my door, not to mention the neighbors making noise. Sorry. If it continues with the noise, I'll just voice over this or put music. Okay? Cool. Yeah. So let's chop this up. Alright, look at it. So I have the breadfruit cut up. I cut them up very thin because I want them crispy, not fluffy like potato fries. So I cut them up super thin, as y'all can see. Try to get them as crispy as possible. I'm wondering if I should put it in salt water, if I should just fry it like this and then add the salts and stuff to it. I wish I had dried seasoning so I could put in it, but I don't, because that seems like it would taste really good, but I don't. So I'm going to fry this and see how it turns out. So let's put the pot on the stove and see what we can do. Alrighty, right, so our pot is on the stove and it is heating up. You can see the oil like moving because it's hot. So let me throw one in and test it. It's frying! Yeah! It's frying! So I'm going to put some in the pot. And, sorry for the shakiness, but I'm putting it in the pot to get it to fry. Hopefully it comes out the way I want it to come out. So let me just fry this up and I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Yeah, it's frying! It's frying! And, yo, when I tell all you, this camera, this phone just irritates me with this focus these days, eh? Okay, there we go. So look, y'all, it's frying. It's starting to get like a little brown on the edges. So I'm gonna flip it soon on the other side because I want like nice brown crispy fries, not soft squishy fries. So yeah, so I'm about to check these, see if they can be flipped over, flip them on the other side, and yeah. Y'all, I'm burning my fries. Ah! Alright, so I'm getting the hang of it and not burning it anymore. So, yes, I'm about to flip like this one and that one there, just to, you know, and get the rest of them out of the pot. And I'll show y'all what it looks like. Alright, y'all, so my breadfruit fries are done. They're done. Some of them get a little, slight little burn. But still, just gonna try it out because it's the first time I ever make breadfruit fries. So yeah, and the remainder of cheese bits that I have in the fridge, I'm going to dip it in that and see how it tastes. I was actually going to make secret sauce, but I had this little bit of cheese bits, so I decided to use that. So there you have it, breadfruit fries. I did not sprinkle salt on it simply because I'm going to eat it with cheese base. But if you want, you can sprinkle salt on yours. So try it out and tell me in the comments if you tried it or not. So thanks guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next Pasta Pot vlog. Bye bye.